Hi everyone, this is Oz from Masiwa. Today we are in Yuvacik, Izmit. I will show you a 2+1 apartment, 2-bedroom apartment with this amazing sea view inside the complex and with very nice social facilities. Now let's explore the apartment together. Here, our living room, as you see. Here the entrance of the apartment, and here our kitchen. You can step out to your terrace from your kitchen and living room also. You have a very nice sea view. Here is the first room. Here the WC for your guests, and there is a common use bedroom, and there will be the shower box. Here we have a very nice and big terrace looking to the nature and some part of the inside of the complex. There will be the social facilities, fitness salon, and the swimming pool will be under this block. And here is the main bedroom, master bedroom. And here is the master bed. As you see, this apartment has 2 bedroom, 2 baths, and 1 WC. You have also a balcony in your master bed. For detailed information, please call us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.